This video I gonna teach you how to calibrate manual grinding machine and automatic grinding machine. An espresso machine, la cimbali manual and la morzocco and the morzocco step by step. How to setting. How to get ratios. And about grams and how to coarse by fine and crush fine grinding. Caesta. Okay, I hope this video I help with you guys and if you wanna learn, let's watch this. Guys, I hope you get some tips about this calibration. Up our machine. Let's watch and learn. And I give you some important tips about calibrations. Let's start. Subscribe. Take note du should now what is the ratio and range of what you want to calibrate. First let's start about manual, a grinding machine. As you can see, this is the settings that we find it, but first we will adjust this about fine and coarses. If you want coarse plus it and you want to fine. Yes minus if you just buy fine. The pooing will be slowly. And if you wanna put the plus, it will be very fast pouring. And let's start about this about settings of the dosing. This is say the first one is the first and second shot. If you want to set by single shot and double shot. And once you're done, you can select the big one. Yeah, let's start over. Show you guys. Just press long press until it's for this one. Yes, you can see 0.66. If you want to buy grams, you want it and minus it and plus it. Example, you want to range by 20 grams or 30 grams or else. Just you can add or you can less, just minus it. Yeah, it's so easy. Then touch the button. And just select what you just press the big button. Like this one. And for the automatic, just press 2 times. 3 times for automatic grinding. And you can set also. As you can see, I show you, this is how is work. Example, this is you want to buy how many grams? 20 grams, and so yeah, just label it, then it in good way. This is the right tamping. Should our tamping is the same all the time. The more fine coarse speed of pouring will be slowly. If medium coarse will be speed up. Okay, cast that we will proceed in the espresso machine. Manual, just long press the middle. And after you. This one just. You see this light. It's blinking. You can start what you want to. For double shot or single shot. Just long press also what you want to a setting. Example this way too. And you can see what the grams what you wanted. Then after that you can remove your hands. By that settings that the ratio you will find it. Don't forget to save after. You've been done. By saving, just click the center about 1 minute. Okay, let's start about automatic la morzocco. So express machine by pressing this key. Yeah, and what you want to save this example this too. And set by, as you can see the function, it is work. Press 2 times. Just pressing long pressed as you can see the settings. Then click the one you want desires to settings. Easy settings as you can see in the function. Then you can make it. But don't forget to use our winding scale to see the ratio and the grams and what you want to desire. By pressing this key. About example 2 shots about your ml. What you wanted. To stop holding save. Before it getting desire your volume yes. Stop it. And as you can see then. Don't forget to save. This is the most important way to settings. People get it so not save it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos about caffeine tutorials.